Hi there and welcome back. Now today I want to talk about something different. This is not a strategy, but it is a method that especially beginners need to learn if they want to make a profit in Forex trading. Advanced traders already know what it is and it's something that you can add to your strategy. Market analysis. So there are two main schools of thoughts when it comes to market analysis. There's the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. Now, when it comes to Forex trading, because I'm a Forex trader, I do not consider fundamental analysis very important. Basically, fundamental analysis, what it does, it analyzes economic data. I think fundamental analysis is very important for stock market. So investors obviously need to carry out a fundamental analysis if they want to invest in a certain company. But when it comes to Forex trading, I find essential technical analysis, because what a technical analysis does, it analyzes the market based on past price movements. And the real advantage of technical analysis is that it can be applied to any market, for example, commodities, currencies, and so on. Now, when it comes to technical analysis, a lot of people will try to talk about things such as patterns. For example, descending triangle, there is something like this, and they will say that the price will move inside this triangle up and down like this. Other people will talk about a 1, 2, 3 move, which is something that looks like this. The price will go down, up, down. But what I do care when I do a technical analysis is only two things, and that's support and resistance line. Now, support and resistance lines are basically price levels that have been tested many times and have not been broken. So when we carry out a technical analysis in Forex, we only look at the 4-hour time frame, or even at the daily time frame. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes are too short time frame to look at for a technical analysis. So we only look at the 4-hour time frame. And when we look now, we have the Euro-Yen chart, and I think this is just an amazing piece, because we can already see here a very nice resistance line that goes down right here. As you can see, that even the shadow, you have to take into consideration even the shadows of the candle. Now, the shadows of the candles are these little lines that go above and below here in the candles. So here the price has tested the resistance line many times, and always the price has gone down. So as you can see here, price goes up, resistance line, go down, up, resistance line, go down, etc., etc., and so on many times. This is what we call a false breakout. So basically the price here, as you can see, tested the resistance line, then went back down, went back up, broke the resistance line. Now here a lot of traders could have gone wrong, because a lot of traders could have thought that because the price broke the resistance line, that was a breakout, and so they went long here thinking the price is gonna go this way. Instead, this was a false breakout. So the price broke the resistance line but went back down and reflected again against the resistance line. So all the traders that enter long here, well, that was a mistake. Then we have to look at different resistance and support. So for example, here we have obviously a support line or level. The price went down, tested the support, back up, down, tested the support, back up. And if we want to look at the last resistance line, we just take a look here, and we can see right here the resistance line, which tested here, 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 and funny enough, now here's is one of the many rules that I think this is not for beginners but advanced traders. As you can see here, the price was going down, so was the downtrend, and this line here that now is our resistance was a support line. Now because the support line was broken, so the price went down here, this line became a resistance. Now that's some kind of a rule. Every time a resistance line or a support line are broken, they become the opposite. So in this case, this worked as a support and was broken and then became a resistance. As you can see here, resistance, 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 and resistance. Now that we have done our very simple technical analysis, we can see here at the live market, now we have the price is here, and we can think now the price is probably gonna test the resistance line. So the price is probably gonna go up, test this resistance line here that we have drawn earlier, and then well, back down. Now here in the middle, I don't see anything except probably this support here, but it's not a strong support. It's not a strong support, so it's a weak support. So I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know even if I would take into consideration this line in my technical analysis, but just for sake of it, let's draw it. So we know that the price is probably gonna go up, test this resistance line, go down to our support here, and then once it has been tested the support, and because this is a strong support because it's tested many times and it has resisted, the price is probably going to go up and test again the resistance line. So when it comes to breakout, we don't really know. Every time the price goes up, you need to use your indicators, and I'm gonna do another video using others indicators to understand whether this is a breakout or not. So if the price has just gone up for a little and then go down, so you need to go short again, or if this is a long position possibility. So I think that was all for our technical analysis. Very simple, very easy technical analysis, but it can help many traders in their daily trading. Very important to always draw support and resistance line, or even channels. For example, here we don't see a channel, but I don't know if you see something like this where we have a falling resistance and a falling support, so you will know that the price will move in this channel. Obviously here we have a downtrend because it's a falling channel, and you know that the price will test the resistance, go down to support, test resistance, and again go down to support. So remember technical analysis, the importance of technical analysis that you can add to your strategy to eventually improve your overall trading. Thank you and see ya.